Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB biology exam revision series, we are going to answer just one question on this topic: internal structure of a flowering plant, considering the seeds specifically in this video. So guys, like I said here, we just have just one question to answer here. So maybe before we answer the question, you feel you have an idea of the answer to this question, you can pause this video this moment and try answering the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. Also, here you don't need to forget to subscribe to this channel even before you do that already. So let's go ahead and check out this question, and that's the one and only question we have here. It says, in which of the following group of fruits is the pericarp inseparable from the seed coat? So guys, the options we have here is A, caryopsis, B, follicle, C, nut, D, cypsilla. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the caryopsis. The caryopsis is a dry one-seeded fruit in which the ovary wall or the pericarp is united with the seed coat. So guys, that's the answer to this question. That's the caryopsis. So guys, take note of this. Wherever you see this in caryopsis, the pericarp is usually fused with the seed coat, and that's how you know the caryopsis. So guys, this will be the end of this lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, please drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more audience. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for always supporting us. See you next time.